Welcome to Breathing Breaks with Balanced Kids Yoga. We'll turn your sleepy, bored, angry, worried or distracted feelings into good vibes. Today's breathing break is horse breathing. What noise does a horse make? Okay, our turn. Great, now we're ready. Take a big breath in through your nose and now out of your lips like a horse. Good job. Can you do it for longer? Take a bigger breath in and one last time. Are you ready? Big breath in and good job, everybody. See you next time.
Thanks for joining me, everyone. I've got lots more videos for you, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you next time.